You can convert EXE to APK easily on Android and PC. So in this guide, I would like to explore how to run Windows EXE file on Android phone and PC and have a step-by-step guide to convert EXE file to APK easily. With the increase in smartphones and computers, the production of applications and software for these devices has also increased significantly. Many smartphone apps, such as Android and iOS, are available on the Google Play Store and the App Store. The software for desktop users is also available on various official websites and in the online store. These applications and technologies have improved the usability of smartphones and computers. Almost all jobs require a smartphone or a computer. However, apps designed for computers cannot run on the smartphone, nor can apps designed for smartphones on computers. Therefore, these applications and software are limited to their operating systems. Few apps can perform better on your computer, and there are a few easy-to-use tools on your smartphone as well. To solve this issue, we have come up with a method that allows you to convert EXE to APK on Android and PC. This means that you can run apps optimized for your PC on your smartphone. Features of converting EXE to APK: the procedure consists of simple steps and can be easily performed. Therefore, the probability that the file will not be converted to APK is relatively low. You will have no problem installing the converted APK file on your smartphone. How to use APK on the computer: APK is a file used to install the app on any Android device. However, this format cannot be used on a computer. To run an APK file on a computer, we need to create a virtual Android application on the computer. You can do this using an Android emulator or a game player on your computer. BlueStacks App Player is one of the most commonly used app player. There are many Android games and emulators that you can use. However, the basic approach remains the same. How to run APK files on a computer: Step 1, download the Android emulator to your computer. Step 2, download the APK application you want to run on your computer. Step 3, launch the APK on the Android emulator. You can run almost any APK in Android emulator. What EXE files are? The full EXE format is an executable file. As the name describes, it is a file that contains a program, or a specific type of file that can be executed or executed as a single program on a machine. EXE is an extension of the executable file format. An executable file is a file that contains a specific program or type of file that can run or function as a program on a computer. The executable file can be started by a Microsoft DOS or Windows program with a double-click command. Any file whose name ends in .exe is simply a program that causes the operating system to run the program when it is opened. Users who receive an .exe file as an email attachment should always ensure that the file is from a trusted source and is virus-free. Looking for .exe to .apk converter? Well, assume that you've got one. Just keep reading this guide on how to convert EXE to APK. And you'll know that it's just a mere task to convert a Windows application to Android. While the number of apps on the Android Play Store is massive, the interface between the Android apps and the PC applications appears to vary. On the other hand, programming applications are optimized for sleek environments and have robust capabilities for their diversity. Android apps are built in order to deploy the smallest smartphone that runs Android OS quickly. Steps to convert EXE file to APK. Step 1, download the EXE to APK converter to your computer and save the EXE file for conversion. Step 2, run the tool once it is completely installed. Step 3, a screen will appear and select the option I have a portable application and click Next. Step 4, now find the EXE file you want to convert to APK. Step 5, after moving to the required file, click Convert to convert the EXE file to APK format. Step 6, the conversion will start, and the time will depend entirely on the size of the software you are converting. So be patient until the conversion is completed successfully. Step 7, the EXE file will be automatically stored on your computer when converted to APK. The dialog box will show you the path where the converted APK files are saved. Copy and paste this APK file to your smartphone and run it to use APK of the EXE files. How to install APK on Android. 1. Enable your Android to install unknown apps. Go to Settings, Apps, menu, Special Access. Choose Install Unknown Apps. 2. Install a file manager. See EXE File Explorer, EZ File Explorer, File Manager so that you can find the APK file after you transfer it to your phone. Download an APK file and open it through the file manager to install it. Alternatively, transfer the APK installer using USB to your computer. Installing an APK file on Android is as simple as clicking on the file from your phone, but you'll need to first prepare your phone's settings, plus get the file onto your device and open it. In this guide, we show you how to prepare your Android device and how to download an APK file onto it, including 3 methods for doing so. Prepare your Android device. Since your phone considers any application outside of Google Play an unknown app, you need to tell your phone to allow you to install unknown apps. Enable unknown apps on Android 8 Oreo and later 1. Go to Settings, Apps 2. Tap menu icon, Special Access 3. Toggle Install unknown apps to the on position. Enable unknown apps on Android Nougat. Go into Settings, tap Security or Lock Screen and Security, scroll down to the Device Administration section, and enable unknown sources. Conclusion: this is all you need to know on how to convert EXE to APK on Android and PC. Now you can go ahead and convert EXE files to APK. You can run APK files on your computer.